So I'm right here at Namly Crescent. I have a double-story semi-detached for sale right over on this side here, a land size of 3980 square feet, a frontage of 15 meters on this side, and a depth of 24 meters, a very good plot of land. And we are right now in prime District 10, Bukit Timah, and it's a branded address. You're buying a Namly address over here, and this house is really well suited for you to do an A&A or even a rebuilding it to your own liking. So now let's move in and check out the unit. Let's go. And take a look at the land itself. 3980 square feet land, a 15 meters frontage here, and this is where you see the actual depth itself, 24 meters. A very sizable land here, and this is also a bit elevated on this side, so the house at the back is slightly below here. Have a look at this, really suited for you to rebuild and do your A&A, and this become your dream home. So that's all we have now. Talking about the location itself, right just off the 6th Avenue Road, the main road on this side here, and you are within 500 meters over to the 6th Avenue MRT station over on this side here. And schools, you have many here. You have the Henry Park Primary School on this side here, less than 5 minutes drive. You have Raffles Girls Primary School, and then you have the Nanyang Primary School, Nanyang High School also on this side. The JCs, you have NJC, Hua Song Institution. So really all the good schools in the area here. And in terms of amenities and food, you have a row of shop houses right at the end of the 6th Avenue where you can get your F&B, your restaurants, even a coffee shop over on that side. And even at Guthrie House, there is a supermarket, a cold storage as well. So this is really in a prime central location in District 10, Freehold, Bukit Timah, and a branded Namly address. That's all I have for you today, and I'll see you next one. Bye-bye.